All right, so right here we have it. We don't have much space because we got a bunch of cars here. But this is how it looks. It's very clean. Tires are in excellent shape, as you can see. They have been changed recently. They have a lot of tread. And then this is how it looks. Rear bumper, very clean. Tint, top. There you go. Let me open it from the sides so you can see exactly. Oh, 1 second. There you go. Okay, so this is how the seats look. We don't have any type of damage, no cracked seats, not ripped seats. Show you the front. The emblem right there looks very nice. See, the lighting right now it's not the best, okay, but this is how it looks. Very nice. We don't have any chips on the windshield. It's very clean. Now I'm gonna open the hood. I'm gonna put you over there so you can listen to the car. Okay. 1 second. Wow, that's nice. Okay, just 1 second. There you go. So this is how the seats look. 134,000 miles. This is how it looks from the side. Very clean. Tires again, good. Nice. All right. Okay. Oh, also let me show you this tires right here. So you can see, has brand new rotors. We did rotors, brake pads. Let me put it here real quick for a second. We actually keep the cars that are in good shape and clean inside the garage. We have over 150 vehicles ready for sale. So, just because it's here, it's even the better. It's a good sign, See, this is how it looks. It's very clean. So let me use this real quick. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I was just placing this over there. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm gonna try to put you here so you can kind of have a better view of the car, just and the engine running. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it here. There you go. So now I'm gonna get on the car and turn it on. This is gonna be a cold start. That's it. You can see no noises coming from the engine. Sounds very healthy, very good. Now let me show you the dash. We don't have any lights in here. No lights. It's very clean. AC is working right now. I'm feeling it. It's on. And then let me show you also. Very cold. Alright, so yeah, this is how it looks. Everything is clean. not dark.